Want to know?
Yes.
Go ahead, live maybe hard. You might be able to see one and not the other.
Okay, Grandpa Dave had a dream that it was one boy and one girl.
Everyone has, yeah.
Pull everything past the heads, front and back. Just have them get you all
So
over there.
excited.
Any bleeding or spotting? Any pain where that cyst was?
No, just bladder.
Okay. That's just the beginning.
And they spelled the name right too. That's impressive.
They do what?
She's gonna turn and face us. There she
Come on, give us a little peep show here.
And this is B.
Oh.
On top. Oh.
It's bouncing.
Yeah.
It looks like he's kneeling.
Yeah, it's like he's laying on your belly.
It's doing a little morning prayer.
Alright, so A is always the one closest to the cervix.
So they're on top of each other, not side to side.
Huh.
Right.
So I've been feeling one left and one right, and I've been calling them lefty and righty.
Well, yeah, well, kind of. I mean, one's here, and then one is here.
Is that B then, the one on my right?
Yes.
Are you able to like estimate how much they weigh from looking at
No,
them?
not right now.
No.
That's not until after 24 weeks.
I
So you get a weight on.
Is that
Two
two
heads
heads?
together?
Two
I was
heads.
just gonna ask if you could put them together.
Not
Yeah.
always.
So like
Hey, they're
facing
pretty
each
much
other?
touching each other there.
Is the wall gone?
No.
Oh.
See it there? That little,
That black,
that's
that
lying
black
there.
area.
no, right
This
here.
right here.
Yeah, I
It's a
see that.
membrane thing.
Yeah, the bright white area.
So they're pretty much side by side.
I wonder if they know another one's in there too.
Well, I'm sure they can feel each other. So this is, I'm gonna stick on A here for a minute. Ooh, spin it.
That's why you feel them dancing in you.
They're early risers.
Didn't get it from me.
Or me.
Or no, either.
This is the abdominal circumference here.
The what body part would that be?
The abdomen,
That's it. Oh, I thought that was
abdominal
the-
circumference.
Yeah.
And this is the femur.
Can you see okay, Gloria?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. So this is looking from the bottom up
Yep.
at them? Oh,
And
okay.
there's a little penis.
Oh, you got one boy.
I knew that would
Yes.
happen. It's like there has to be at least one boy. There's too many boys in our family.
Oh.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
See, that sweater wasn't all for naught.
Yeah, really good in that.
Is that baby A or baby B?
A.
Baby
And
A.
we can't, A today. I mean, by the time you get your level 2, it may change.
Okay.
But we go by the one closest to the
I
cervix.
can really see the bone in there.
Yeah.
What is that bone?
Femur.
The femur. Okay.
Thigh bone, yeah. Just a little bladder right here.
Oh my goodness, you can tell what bladder.
So that he's not having bladder issues.
But he's happy as a clown.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna totally turn around, they're both on their face.
Stomach sleepers. Come on, turn around. Let us see you. Don't hide from us.
And this is still baby A?
No, I'm now on
Oh,
B.
you
Look at him.
went to B.
Yeah.
And that's why you feel
Facing the
them,
same
you know?
directions.
Look
Yes.
at that. That's a perfect little body line.
Oh,
There's that beet rolled over. There's back.
yeah.
Come on, Bee. Let's give us a little show.
Probably a little preview of what's to happen. Very active.
That's why you feel them fluttering around. Bounce.
Just flip over to
Yes, again.
They just bounce.
Because
You
he-
flipped in like a 360.
Yep, because now A is on his back.
Oh, this is A.
Again, yeah.
I can't keep track of
I can't either.
where they are.
Keep having to go back to the cervix to make sure I'm on the right one.
Maybe they have swimming in their genes.
I think so. Daddy's a swimmer, huh? I used to like to dive when I was younger, not swim as much,
Wow.
but dive. So
Maybe they're practicing.
yeah, they're practicing their dives.
What's that?
Curled up. I don't think we'll be able to see between the legs on this one.
Oh, one surprise at a time.
Yeah.
Oh, these little ladies. Oh my gosh.
Sorry, pushing
I
Your
see
leg
the
going?
knee. Yeah, I see the knees like
Oh, the arm.
praying.
Seems fuzzier today than.
No, I think it's pretty clear.
Is
It's
G's,
because they keep moving around.
is B's femur longer than A's? Or-
Nope.
No, they're about the same
Exactly
size.
the same.
Oh,
Huh.
maybe just the screen made it look
Now they're both on their back.
All right.
Well, they've been
Come
moving
on,
so
give
much,
us a
maybe it
show.
will.
Is that A or B?
Yeah, that's A.
Oh, 'cause
Oh, that's
I see
A.
the little
Yes, I was
doohickey.
gonna say,
Doohickey.
yeah, right
The
there, right?
doohickey. There's the little doohickey. So I was thinking if it was baby B, now then we know if there's two boys.
Do you want me to get Joey in the fence? You can tell him. I don't know if he'll answer
I
his
think he
phone
wants to
at work.
watch this video to find out.
And be surprised.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to tell anybody until he knows.
Are they usually this hard to?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
he's got a hold of the. This is B, another penis.
Oh, two boys.
Two boys.
Yeah, that was a hand.
I didn't
Hand
see
right
it.
on top of it.
Jeez.
See that? See that? All right, you go back. See that?
Oh, great.
Purely random, I'm sure.
One's praying because the other one is.
Yeah, that's
Two boys then,
two
huh?
boys.
Oh wow.
Gosh.
Two little boys. You're gonna start knitting blue now.
Hmm.
Wow.
That's funny.
Well, all of our dreams were wrong then.
Two boys. Now you gotta think of boy names.
Yeah.
And that's both of them together?
Yeah.
Wow.
We'll definitely be able to keep the male Zuski line going now.
Oh, jeez, I guess. I was kind of hoping for a girl to buy cutesy pink stuff.
I think everyone was thinking, oh,
Guess
maybe
no
one boy, one
Alexis
girl.
now.
But they are easier to buy for, that's for sure. Polo shirt and khakis for the rest of their lives. And the jeans, blue jeans and t-shirts. A suit now and
Now
then.
look
That's
at
about
them.
their
They're
wardrobe.
both on their backs again.